Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to use AirPlay on your iPhone 17 Air. So with AirPlay feature on your iPhone 17 Air, you can wirelessly stream videos, music to your another device, or even mirror your entire screen. So in the first part of the video, I will discuss how to stream video, music, or videos, whatever that you want to stream with AirPlay feature. And in the second part, I will discuss how to mirror your screen with AirPlay. So first of all, you have to open the application that you want to stream for. For example, let me select podcasts, but you can go for any other application. And you have to start playing your audio or your video or song, so whatever that you start playing. And now what you're gonna do is access Control Center if you swipe down the top right corner of your screen. And here, as you can see, you have this little preview of the file that you are now playing on your iPhone 17 Air, and you want to tap this AirPlay icon. This is it. And now here you will see a list of devices that support AirPlay, and you want to choose one device by simply tapping on it. And from this moment your content will play on the selected device. And to stop streaming, you have to go again to Control Center, tap here on AirPlay button, and select iPhone speaker at the very top of your screen. Okay, so now let me stop this podcast. And now let's talk about how to mirror your screen. You have to swipe down the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center, and you have to tap this screen mirroring icon that looks like two rectangles. And you have to select your device that supports AirPlay. It could be Apple TV or another smart TV that supports screen mirroring, and also, I don't know, another Apple devices. So whatever device that supports AirPlay function. So tap on it from this list, and from this moment your iPhone 17 Pro, your iPhone 17 Air screen will now appear on your device that you have selected. And if you want to stop mirroring, you have to go to Control Center again, tap screen mirroring icon, and here at the bottom you will see an option to stop mirroring. And also I wanted to mention one tip for better experience is that you have to make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, because without it you will not be able simply to connect your iPhone 17 Air to another device that supports AirPlay, because it will simply not be on the display. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.